Our showrooms are open. Why is that plural? Because our showroom in Wexford is open. And so is SchultzLincoln.com, where our showroom is always open, so our team is ready and excited to serve you safely. Our new and improved sales process allows for a safe and simple experience that follows the CDC's social distancing guidelines. The safety of our community, customers, and team members is always our number one priority, which is why we sanitize each vehicle's touch points before and after every test drive. We've also ramped up cleaning and sanitation within our facilities, with round-the-clock sanitation of all facility touch points and sanitizing stations. Begin your sales journey at SchultzLincoln.com, where you can shop our online showroom 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, from the comfort of your home. We will deliver your vehicle to your home. To make an appointment or begin shopping from home, visit SchultzLincoln.com. We love being able to accommodate you by appointment. So to schedule that appointment, go to SchultzLincoln.com and begin the sales process and schedule your time where we can give you complete undivided attention. We thank you for your continued support and hope to see you soon, Pittsburgh.